Hello, Jeremy with Wilson Creek Auctions. This is a short video on the Kubota 70 horse four-wheel drive tractor. Check it out. So this has got 6 gears in high, 6 gears in low, four-wheel drive. Has under 500 hours on it. Beautiful tractor. It's a 70 horse, so it's an excellent size. 7-foot bucket. Would work great for snow removal, cleaning the barnyard, baling hay, whatever you need it to do, hauling around bales. Just an outstanding tractor. Perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Bucket gets way up in the air. Excellent. This is the LA 1154 loader. Buying the tractor, that's Ray, the owner. And this is lot number 2.